Your walls are buzzing. Or maybe you hear that faint scratching behind the baseboards, and you're desperate. You want a solution that doesn't involve toxic chemicals or the grisly cleanup of traditional traps. Then it happens. You're scrolling through social media and a sleek ad catches your eye. It's a small, white, modern-looking device. The PestLab ultrasonic repeller. The pitch is perfect. Just plug it in and watch the pests flee. No mess. No stress. And it's on sale. But before you pull out your credit card, we need to talk about what's actually happening behind that glowing plastic case. Because the gap between marketing and reality is massive, let's start with the core technology. Ultrasonic sound waves. These are high-frequency noises meant to drive pests crazy. It sounds advanced, almost like a futuristic force field. But actual scientists and pest control professionals have a different take. Studies show that these waves have a very limited impact. Sure, an insect might notice the sound at first, but they aren't stupid. They realize the noise doesn't actually hurt them, and they just ignore it. It's like living near a train station. Eventually, you stop hearing the trains. Roaches and bedbugs are especially resilient. They won't pack their bags just because of some high-pitched static. And rodents are even more adaptable. They can get used to repetitive frequencies in a matter of days. So that permanent solution you were promised, it's often just a temporary annoyance at best. Then there's the physics problem. Ultrasonic waves are very short. They don't have the power to travel through solid objects. They bounce off furniture, they get absorbed by curtains, and they definitely cannot go through walls. If you have a mouse in the kitchen wall, a device in the hallway is completely useless. The brand actually knows this, which is why they push those big bundles. The buy 3 get 3 free deals aren't just a generous gift. They're a way to make sure you buy enough units to cover every single corner of your house. It turns a cheap gadget into a significant investment. And let's look at the way they sell it to you. That little timer on the website, the one counting down the seconds, that's a classic pressure tactic. It's designed to trigger your fight or flight response, making you feel like you're going to miss a once-in-a-lifetime deal. It's called FOMO, and it's the enemy of a smart purchase. They also keep their sales off the major retail platforms. Why? Because they want to avoid the third-party reviews that they can't control. On their own site, they can show you exactly what they want you to see. And if you decide you hate it, getting your money back isn't as easy as they claim. Often, you have to pay for international shipping to return the items, and that cost can be higher than the refund itself. If you have one stray fly, maybe it provides some peace of mind. But for a real infestation, this is not the answer. Don't let urgency override your common sense. Do the research. Look for independent data. And don't let a flashy ad sell you a dream that the science can't support. Your home is your sanctuary, and it's worth protecting with methods that actually work. Instead of just a plastic box that plugs into a wall and does nothing, keep your eyes open. Stay sharp, and always question the easy fix. Because in the world of home maintenance, if it sounds too good to be true, it almost certainly is.